Good morning everyone, my name is Nick. Welcome to my Kuala Lumpur vlog. So today is my first workshop day here at Kuala Lumpur. I will be teaching two classes today. First is a basic brush calligraphy class. Second is how to improve your brush calligraphy. I would like to thank those who signed up for my workshop today because it is a Friday and I'm sure some of you have to leave work just to attend my workshops. So thank you very much for signing up. So for now, I am going to prepare my stuff and then I'm going to go down and meet with Joy. Joy is the one who organized these workshops for me. I'm going to meet her and then she's going to take me to Cziplee to prepare for my workshops. My arm's kind of hurting already. Anyway, since when I came here last April, she literally made me fat. She took me to so many restaurants and gave me really good food. So I plan to return the favor. Before I came here, I bought some snacks and some sweets, some snacks and some sweets from Manila, which I'm going to give her. I hope she likes them and I hope she's gonna get fat with all of those food that I bought. I think I bought like some polvoron, pastillas, makapuno, boy bawang, choknat, and many more. I really can't remember. I just went to the grocery, just grab stuff that I could find. So I hope I'll be able to take you around with me today. The plan for today is after the workshop, I think I'm going to meet up with some of my college friends who happen to be here in Kuala Lumpur as well. So I don't know what we're going to do tonight. I hope my battery will not die on me so that I'll be able to take you along with me from this morning till the evening. Pimple. Anyway, no pimple is gonna stop me from vlogging today. So I'm gonna take you with me. I hope you're excited to see my day. So let's go. Guys, I'm here. I'm waiting for Joy to arrive. Walking to Cziplee. Hi Joy, since you made me fat, I'm going to make you fat. Ooh, goodies. Oops. Joy making me fat again. Second time this day. So I just finished my first two workshops in Kuala Lumpur. Now I'm back here at my Airbnb. So I'm resting for a little while. I'm charging my phone and after it is a little bit charged, I am going out with some of my friends. I'm going to, I don't know where I'm going. I'll just go wherever they take me. It's rush hour right now, so I really have to leave. No, I'm actually so tired, so sleepy. I feel very old, but you know, I don't see my friends that often, so... And yes, I want to prove to everyone that I have friends. Anyway, I'll see you later. Hey guys! Hi! Hi guys, may friends ako, as you can see. Guys, this is Ed, this is Louis, and this is BG. So ano ginawa niyo ngayon? Huwag ka tumingin dito.
We just ate.
Ay, wait. Tama. English so that I don't have to put subtitles. Go.
So we just ate kaya toast and tita rice.
Liara, what did you eat?
Curry noodles.
Is it good?
Hindi, joke.
Ikaw, Ed, anong kinain mo?
Okay, bakote.
Bakote. Yung herbal.
Akala ko mawawag Tagalog.
Yung herbal soup. Ano tayo picture yung matino?
Meron na kami. Joke. Taka, mag-VO dapat to eh. So tingin ka lang. Okay, lingin ko ng konti dito. Slowly. Yan, hold that pose. Ganyan. Art is my passion. This is why it's important for me to have time alone with myself. Have a drink or two. Think about. Hi, so I'm sabotaging.
It's not yet focused. Wait. There.
So,
Picture first.
I'm sabotaging Nico Nang's vlog. Take 2. So, hi guys. Sabotaging Nico Nang's vlog. Here, taking nice pictures, and you are seeing a very nice, handsome person right now.
Oh my.
So, where are we today?
We are at Kuala Lumpur.
Ay, sorry.
I don't know. Where are we?
Where are we?
Ed, where are we?
Kuala
Lumpur. Heli Lounge.
So, what's the number of this vlog? Number
Vlog number
3.
3. My first non-lettering vlog. I don't know, I did so... Huwag malapit, kita yung pimple ko.
Okay.
So what are we going to do later, Ed?
So we're gonna sabotage Ed's place later. He has a very big condo.
Really?
Yeah.
He didn't invite me.
He's loaded. He has a lot
He
of
didn't
money. He's gonna
invite
pay for our drinks.
Can I reimburse my receipt?
So we're gonna go to Nico's workshop tomorrow.
Really? You're going to attend
No,
my workshop?
not really. Joke lang.
I thought you were my most supportive friends, but apparently not.
So
I thought you were going to show up earlier.
no,
Before, like,
there was
few signs to say hi.
there was traffic jam.
Traffic
Yeah.
jam.
Yeah, like me, Jam. So by the way, I wanna introduce myself. I'm Jam. I'm Nico Nang's classmate.
It's Nico Ong. They pronounce my
Nico.
surname as Ong here.
Nico Ong. Okay, Nico Ong. Okay, so Nico Ong is a good friend of mine from college. I'm not really a vlogger, but I think
Mas marami kang nasasabi.
I have the talent for it.
You have the talent.
And I think that I would
subscribe to his channel?
Yeah, subscribe to my channel. No, I don't really have a channel. I just look good.
You know, I can feel like my subscribers are going down.
Tapos di ba may cut ka doon, tapos may sound effects. Ano ba yung mga ganun?
What did you do in Singapore?
Merlion.
Funny Merlion.
Louis,
Yeah.
how do you do the Marine Bay Sands?
When you carry the boat like that. Wait lang.
Bombay Sapphire.
A gin. So the guy.
Magtagalog.
Uy, magtagalog ka.
Sabi ko sa inyo eh.
So mali yung binigay sa amin na order ng waiter. Sabi namin, Jameson with ginger ale. Pero binigay sa amin na. Ano to?
Bombay.
Gin tonic.
Inulit naman yung order niya.
Inulit ko ah.
Sinabi niya.
Tatlong beses ko inulit.
Sabi mo sa camera, magkano?
Tatlong beses ko inulit.
In English, 3 times he repeated his order. Wow guys, dumidilim na oh. Saan ang sunset? Sabi mo, pupunta tayo dito para sa sunset.
na siya.
Nag-set na.
Tagal mo kasi.
Ayun na oh, nagkakailaw na.
So saan tayo pupunta mamaya?
Kain.
Saan nga tayo kakain? Anong gagawin natin? Paano ko ba sumagot ang tanong na maayos?
Mamaya. Kain tayo sa...
KFC.
Shortcut area.
Ayun ng KFC dito, wala silang gravy.
Meron.
Meron ba?
Ang gravy nila is good.
Unlimited gravy ba? Pwede ba natin gawin sa bahay?
Uy, basta mamaya doon tayo sa bahay.
Anong gagawin natin sa bahay?
Kakain.
Puro inom na lang mga to.
Continue.
Wala pa kasing 2,000 calories na kakain. Objective is 4,000 calories.
Guys, you know that I don't drink, but I have friends for bad influences.
Good friends.
We're not bad influences
Because what?
we're the better bunch of his friends in Lasal.
Sige, sabihin natin yan ha. Kung kita kay... Sino? Wala akong ibang friends eh.
Okay.
Ay, hindi. Bawal pala magmura sa vlog.
Tang, you know Tang? Powder juice.
Powder juice, yes.
With vitamin A.
Vitamin K.
Alam mo ba kanina? Akala ko straw to, yung black. Yung pakin ng stairs, sinususipan ko.
Pupunta tayong PS 150 tomorrow, 9 PM.
Kailangan ko gumising na maaga the next day. Hindi na ako makakasama.
Gising ka.
Saan yun?
Chinatown.
Wala yung Chinatown, di ba?
Chinese ka naman.
Chinese naman ako kaya malapit. Anong logic? Guys, mahaba na ba tong vlog na to? Hindi pa yata. 8 minutes pa lang.
Alam mo, hindi, nasa pag-i-edit yan. So, one portion. So, dapat, kasi pag start ka ng vlog, may theme, di ba? Dapat, dapat may, para alam nila, it's Nico Nang's vlog. So, either song,
So since magaling ka, gawin mo ko ng intro. Nag-DJ ka naman, diba?
Sige.
Paano yung song?
Sige, paano yung intro? Sige. Yun na yun. Yun yung intro. Yung voice recording.
Diba usually mga vloggers magsimula, oh guys, play my intro.
Guys, mamukha ng mga kasama namin na ito.
Next topic.
Next topic.
Moving on.
Oh guys, bye Selecta.
Sige, i-plug mo yung ano mo. Sa 5 subscribers ka.
1, 2, 3.
Dalawang account ka. Cheers. Sumipan mo kayo ng cheers? 1, 2, 3. Cheers!
Ano, tatalo kami, gano'n.
Parang hindi kayo masaya nakasama niyo ako.
Masaya kami.
Sobrang saya.
We're ecstatic.
Sobrang.
Alam mo, pag nagwa-vlog ka, dapat mas energetic yung
Hey guys!
that bigay na bigay.
Eh yung mga kasama ko,
Parang gano'n ka, oh.
mga kasama ko low energy eh. Ayun, Ed.
Very nice.
Sige,
Isa ka
ibenta
na
mo yan. Ibenta mo yan dito. Sige lang, tanggalin mo yan. Hindi na detect mo pa ko. Ayan.
Alam mo,
Oh, look at this smoky, but it has so many.
Energetic nga, hindi.
Wow!
isa ka pa eh.
Turo-turo. So many.
Cut mo yun ah.
Hindi, isasama ko talaga. Wala, huwag ka mag-alala. Hindi mo lang namin subscribers.
Hindi kakat niya na maayos kasi maging off-brand sa kapag masyadong
Actually, yung simula pa ng off-brand. Sweet naman. Ang dilim. Guys, kapag ganito tayo, yung may iPhone, may flashlight.
May second light.
Ha? May second light. Alam mo ba, sobrang zoom in sa mukha mo. Kita yung mga pores mo. Ayun, kita yung mga pores mo. Kita yung pores ni Kevin, no?
Ano ba?